Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, Tammy Thompson/TVMG. Today I am coming to you with part 2 of my new series, Decorating My Apartment. This one is part 2 of the dining room. And in this video, you'll see me doing measurements and also doing my floor plan so I can know what size furniture will properly fit into my space. I've, of course, already shopped for furniture. I kind of know what I want, but I needed to know that it was actually going to fit in the space without us being on top of our bookcase unit that we use as a sideboard, and make sure we would have space to walk through. So and when you see me doing the floor plan, that is AutoCAD system, which is the program that I use. There's different programs that you can use for floor plans. I use AutoCAD because that's what I was taught on, although they've made so many changes that I kind of need to take classes on that again, but you know, it is what it is. I'm sure I'll get some classes on there, and I'll be even faster than I was this time. So just watch me as I do some measurements in the dining room area, and then I'll start to work on the floor plan at the very end. Make sure to like the video, share the video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Also, hit that bell twice and you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. And you guys, make sure you check out my part 1 of this series, where I'm basically letting you know that I'm going to be starting this series. And make sure that you stay tuned for all of the other videos that I'll be posting. I'll be posting the video where I've painted the dining room wall and put down my rug, and then I'll have some other videos of different things I'm going to do to the sideboard, and then you'll go along with me to shop for my new dining table and my chairs. So these videos should be pretty exciting. In between those videos, you'll probably see other videos with me doing tablescapes. I'm going to try not to give anything away, so I'll be taking close-ups on those tablescapes so that you can't kind of see what else is going on. Again, you guys, I hope you like the video. Make sure to do all the things that I already mentioned, like, share, subscribe, and comment below. And let me know what you think so far of me doing the measurements and doing the floor plans. If you know a quicker way or a better program, possibly, to use for the floor plans. Until next time, you guys. Bye.
you.